So this is your brother's little setup. Well, that's my laptop for now. His laptop similar to mine. This he little setup. This what he dealing with. And he come home. It arrived today, so he set it up today. That's his desk. That's one little extra monitor we had in the house. That's the LED lights flashing and thing on he little to do. So yeah, this what he could be dealing with when he come home. So you know he ain't be checking for me no more. Like, especially how he getting his laptop next month. That's it.
Nice and sturdy.
This is nice. See, put it together.